Hey guys, so what do you do when you're stuck on the side of the road or your tire goes flat? Run to a gas station, try and figure it out yourself, change the tire. How about something even better? I got a solution for whenever your tire goes haywire and you can't figure it out. Well, this is the ETENWOLF air compressor VORTEX S6 series, and this is good for anything. And if you have an issue with your tire, look no further than this. Not only does it help with the tire, but it has everything you need. So we're going to do the unboxing. But what is in the box? We have the S6 compressor right here. We also have one air chuck, high hose. You can see the high volume hose, a user manual, 45 watt PD charger, and a 1.8 millimeter USB-C cable to go. So I'm looking forward to this. Let's open this bad boy up. And I got a fancy schmancy carrying case. Look how cool this looks. Guys, this is professional. This is heavy duty. People are going to see this and be like, are you a car mechanic? No, I'm just really interested in having inflated tires. How about that? So what do we do right here? This has a little Velcro. Undo it like that. Zip it. And of course, we have our USB-C charger right here. You can and even ETENWOLF is printed on there. And have our little gadget, but the main thing we are looking for is this guy. All right. And in the back of here, we have our instruction manual. How awesome that is. And we have a quick guide. The high pressure hose. So you want to remove the high pressure hose, insert the nozzle in the tire, press start, select the mode, pause button. You also can rotate the pressure, so this is going to be very interesting. So this is it right here. USB-C, little attachments for the hose, and let's take a look at this guy right here. So we can see the hose right here. We can detach it and play with this guy. Not only that, but this is super portable. And then we have the start and the pause right here. So we can see this. Even hit the button once I get it attached to my tire. And we also have a few accessories back here. This is interesting. So, that is the ETENWOLF in a nutshell. Let's go play with it right here. One thing I'm looking forward to is seeing how this works on my own car. The start, the pause right here. And if you want to charge it in back, you just open this up, take this, nice USB-C charger too. This is heavy duty, so charge your phone, charge whatever you want. Just this here. And back of here. Then we gotta plug it in. So now we have it plugged in, we can see that it's charging. After it's charged, yes, you can use it for multiple different things. We can see the turn wheel here, how this works. So you can select the mode, you can select the unit, you can select the light, and the start and pause. Let's go ahead, charge this up, let it work for a little bit, and then revisit this and see how it works on my tire. All right, so let's get to inflating this tire. So first, what we're going to do, pull the little cap off, like so. We have two hoses here. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this guy, hook this up here. All right, so now we got this. You can go ahead and start it. I'm going to change the mode to car. We can see the mode is car right here. And then I just hit start pause. So that's how easy it is to do. Once I'm done, just disconnect it. This guy on again, and that's it. And this is why I really like this. Has the hose, has both hoses right here that I can use. I can change the mode. It's super simple. As I said, it has the really cool light, so I can have a dance party if I want to, but we're gonna not do that here. Just chill. We have everything that we need. So the ETENWOLF is not only awesome, it's super portable and easy to use. Thank you for watching. Check the link out in the description, and I'll see you soon.